When you click on the link, you'll be proceeded to this site, and then you can come down. Select your desired download button. If it's for Mac, download Mac. And if you are using Windows and you are a Windows user, you can download for Windows 10 and 11 from here. So simply you just have to click here. Currently I'm using Windows. I'm going to show you download for Windows, and my download has started in here, just right here in the tab. I hope that you can see it. Scratch Junior 1.3.2. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it and show it to you how it looks and how it works. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to re-download it. I'm just going to show you the steps and that's it. It's taking a bit long because of the internet to download. Let's see the nitty gritty. Offline mode, you can use it even in offline mode. You can delete some stuff. There's a little guide that you have on this page. You should read it out and you'll get to know how it is done. So it's easy for you to use. It's quite convenient. You don't need to have a lot of coding and other knowledge for that. Downloaded file. You're going to be proceeded to this kind of window, and it means that it's installing. Scratch Mirror is almost installed. You have to just click on a few buttons and you're good to go. And we have it here. And click on Home, and you can start trying your projects.